Over discussing about Orange Line Metro Train, a project of Pakistan and China. My group members are Mohammad Junaid Khan and Mohammad Awais. First of all, I would like to tell you about the relation of Pakistan and China. Pakistan was the first Muslim state to accept China in 1950, while diplomatic relations were begun in 1951. The Sino-Pak was signed various agreements on strategic, diplomatic, and economic affairs, and both countries support each other on international forums. Now, briefly introduction of Orange Line train. The main line of Lahore Orange Line project is about 25.58 kilometers, including underground line 1.07 kilometers. Its evaluated transition line was 0.71 kilometer and evaluated line cost is 23.80 kilometers. The stations are designed to be 24 evaluated and 2 underground stations. The total contract value is 1.62 billion US dollars, including civil works, engineering works, and all mechanical works. The construction period is 70 plus months. Why it takes 70 plus months? Because of the change of the government. Train construction work gradually stops day by day, and due to the lack of funds, workers stop doing their work on this, which causes to complete in long term. Long term. Now, Chinese ambassador visited Lahore for the opening of this train. This was the first official visit of Nongkrong to the very first operational CPAC project in Pakistan. They expressed his satisfaction at the overall running of the project. Pleased with the growing percentage of Pakistani workforce, they worked with full devotion, determined to play a pivotal role in deepening these good relations between China and Pakistan. This project is a symbol of long-standing Pakistan-China relationship and friendship. Now turn to the project cost. In 2016, CR and Norinco has received China Exit Bank payment of 475 million US dollars on Orange Line project. Uh, What is Norinco? Norinco is a Chinese state-owned defense corporation that manufacture a diverse range of civil and military products. No, 9 batches of civil construction progress payment of 183 million US dollars, including the project advance payment was 272 million US dollars. Project concept design payment was 20 million dollars. Now I would like to call Muhammad Awais to continue further.
Saving time and money. Metro train is characterized by a convenient and speedy traveling experience in Lahore, brimming with population of around 12.6 million. Local people will appreciate the massive cut in their traveling time. Locals usually use various models of motorized transport such as motorbikes, cars, rickshaws, taxis, and buses, taking more time as compared to metro train. Project job opportunities. The government of Pakistan has announced many jobs opportunities for well-educated Pakistani individuals through the Orange Train Lahore jobs current advertisement which are announced through the official account of Chairman CPAC Asim Bajwa. Jobs including maintenance, dispatcher, assistant to GM management, communication technician, P&M system technician, group captain, train operator, master technician, track QA engineer. Next slide. Next is projected ridership. The system is designed to handle 300 passengers per hour. Orange Line initially carried 5,000 passengers per day. The system is designed to operate with a minimum headway of 2 minutes. It is expected that the station will serve 520 passengers per hour in the Orange Line's first year of operations, which is expected to rise to 550 by 2025. More further The Orange Line will also help take 380 buses off the road, bringing the total fleet down to around 3,770 and reducing carbon emissions by over uh, 145,000 tons a year. Using calculations based on the Delhi Metro, the metro covers 27 km at 35 km per hour, reducing a 2-hour commute across the city to 45 minutes. Thank you very much. Now I will like to call Mohammad Junaid Khan to explain further.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Finance system. The 27-kilometer metro train is expected to cost to 2,251.06 billion rupees. It's approximately $0.6 billion, out of which 1,447.07 billion rupees, $330 million coming from the federal government of Pakistan. The rest is financed through soft loans by the government of China. The project is financed separately from CPEC and is being undertaken by the government of Punjab. These loans will be paid by Punjab government in installment over 20-year periods. I personally visited and got ride on Orange Line train many times. It's really comfortable and environment was so good in the train. It's a sign of development in our country. This project proves that our country making progress day by day. Corporate social responsibility. CR Norinco has paid tax of 20.78 million rupees and withholding incoming tax 12.26 US dollar 12.26 million US dollar. According to the contract, PMA would carry out the civil works, which is about 532 million US dollar. The local civil contractors have hired more than 5,000 technicians and workers. Try to provide better working and living conditions for local staff, and a mosque was specially built at site. It's it's very it's very big project, so we can easily guess the cost of this project. In this project, China proves that they are really good friend and good relationship with Pakistan because China fully financed this project for Pakistan. That's all. I hope you all understand very well of my presentation. Now, if anybody have any question or query, you may ask. Thank you.
Yes, student, if you have any question, you can ask it. अगर किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप आस्क कर सकते हैं.